Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. Today we are going to be doing Glossybox's Aloha. Glossybox is an American subscription. It is actually a sister company to Look Fantastic now. It is 21 American dollars to a monthly plus $5 to again in American to ship to Canada. Usually they have lots of great sales. They usually have buy 3 months get a month free, buy 3 months get 30% off, and stuff like that. I ended up, actually we probably should unbox this one too. I've actually got two glossy boxes here. I ended up resubscribing at the end of June, and I don't know, I would like to say I was drinking, but I haven't really been drinking all that much lately. So I can't even say it was that. I just, didn't think correctly and decided to grab the box. It said mystery box, and I was kind of hoping that it was close enough to the end of the month, and it was like $16 or something. So I thought I'd grab it, and I used my credits up. So anyway, I'm going to be giving away this box, so we'll go through it at the end. So we'll go through this one. So yeah, I did pay full price for this one, so I'm hoping it's really good. I saw one spoiler and it looked really good. So let's get into this box. I really do like the theme though this month. Aloha. Okay. So it's always beautifully done. If you've never ordered Glossybox before, I definitely wouldn't suggest doing it full price, especially if you are Canadian, because it can be quite expensive. It does come with a little booklet to tell you what's in it. I'm not going to show you right now because I kind of want to be surprised as well. It also comes with a gift card from Vincero Watches and a $25 velvet card. A velvet is there's it's an eye glasses. They had a promotion with Ipsy months a year ago. And yeah, I can't remember what happened to the sunglasses. So again, they tape it shut. They've always had the nicest packaging Glossybox, and look fantastic. It is so hot out, guys. Oh, my fan is not blowing at me. It's like really hot back here because there's no fan. Well, there is, but I mean, it's not near me. Okay, so the first item I am seeing here is the Daily Concept Dual Texture Scrubber. This body scrubber is perfect for even the most sensitive skin to buff away dead skin, scales, dirt. Plus, it covers more surface area to get more cleaning done in half the time. So I actually will definitely be using this. I will be putting it upstairs. We believe that good thoughts attract good things, and that getting clean inside and out is definitely a good thing. I like this. This is, that's a giraffe, honey. We know we can't always control what happens in life, but we can control our reaction. And most of the times we find that a shower or a bath will lead us to the solution. I do like that. We work to inspire and get inspired, delivering daily concepts and everyday products that enhance the human experience. We're here to change the world, your world, one shower at a time. Clean state of mind. Okay, so that's really cute, actually. I definitely need something like this. I don't have anything upstairs, so it's definitely welcome. So, oh, this is globally sourced Hawaiian single origin salt. You want that? It's Freeman black salt peel off deep cleansing mask, clean skins for luminous complexions, 3 to 4 uses. Actually, I really like that as a sample size. Like, you want more than one use. So I will be definitely using this as I like mask. Okay, so this here, it says here, boost your skincare routine with the detoxing peel off mask from Freeman Beauty. This skincare treatment help gently exfoliate, rejuvenate, and for luminous complexions. But be sure to avoid eyebrows eye area, eyebrows, hairline, and lips. These are part of your face that can't be extra sensitive. So it says the full size is 6 ounce and it's valued at $4.29. These are about $6 or $7 at Walmart for the full size. So this is definitely something nice. And if I already had this, I would definitely be throwing this in my to-go bag. Holy crap. So this is Hask Mono Coconut Oil Nourishing Deep Conditioner. Ooh, and there's 2 of them. And look how thick those things are. I could probably get 2 uses out of each one. Ooh, okay. This is definitely a nice box so far. And it seems very themed, and I really like that. Say hello to a tropical treat with this hydrating hair primer infused with softening magnolia oil or a blend of Tahitian gardenias and coconut oil to hydrate, strengthen. This conditioner protects against damage by softening and strengthening your locks. Plus, who doesn't love a little something extra? I consider myself an unofficial self-care queen, so leaving this lovely conditioner in your hair for 5 to 10 minutes or more. Just don't let the conditioner dry in your hair. It's a great way to elevate the treatment. These are full size 12 ounces for $5.99. So that's 12 ounces. And then there's just 1.75. So I mean these are almost 4 ounces. So that's like a third one would have been like a full size. But hey, I'm happy with that. I love hair stuff. Okay, so the next item I see in here is Soothing Hawaii Facial Oil, Sandalwood and Lavender. Now, I know I have an oily face, so I might just leave this. It's about like half full. It has... So I'm going to wait to see. I'm going to let them know that just like there's no plastic. I'm surprised it didn't spill everywhere. That's kind of crazy. I mean, that's good packaging then. Okay, so like it's like up to here. So that seems probably appropriate. Okay, so it says here that this gentle facial oil provides the ideal treatment to relax, comfort, irritated or sensitive skin, created using a careful combination of hydrating sandalwood and soothing lavender essence oil. Your skin will feel comfortable throughout the entire day. Taking a few drops, rub the oil in an upward circulatory motions on the skin for optimal application. So a full size is 100 mils and it retails for $39. This is actually on Look Fantastic site, same as... I think actually a lot of these things are on Look Fantastic site, except for the Hawaii mono. Okay. It's kind of crazy. I just had a snack box from Hawaii, and then like some of this stuff is really neat. So this is made in the UK, formulated and produced in Cheltenham Spa. This is 30 mils. So yeah, that's a pretty good size. Okay, so one of the items I see here, I already actually have upstairs. So this is from Polar. Northern Light Smoothing Fluid. In the height of summer, no one wants a dull complexion. This natural fluid place is packed with Siberian olive, rich in vitamin C and salicylic acid to give you a radiant skin, tighter pores, and more refined skin surface. Combining a light fluid texture and a matte finish. It's the ideal base for warm weather. Tip: urban pollution sucks. These air pollution can wreak havoc on your skin, so make sure to apply the cream before traveling to an urban area. Okay, that's interesting because like I do work in a factory, so maybe I should be using this before I go in, especially if it mattifies things. So this is valued at $22 for full size. The deluxe size is worth $22. Full size is worth $46. So this is actually half of a full size, so that is actually really, really nice size to get in. So, and I'm glad that they put that. So the last item I see in here is the Beauty Crop. Take a breather with this 2-in-1 combo that enhances your lips and cheeks with a lovely shade of pink peachy rose. Formulated with coconut and apricot kernel oil, your skin will have a gorgeous, fresh, tropical glow. Oh my gosh. Like one of the things has no, has two, has like no safety seals, and this one's like, hey, let's just wrap it all up in safety seals. Okay, so this is valued at $21. Can't find your cheeks, make a guppy face, suck in the sides of your face, and voila, the uppermost part of your face that's not sucked in is your cheekbones. Yeah, that made you laugh, didn't it? And of course I can't get into this because why would I be able to? I mean, I got into the box really easy, right? So, anyway. So actually, this box is really nice. There's really not much I wouldn't use. Oh, isn't that pretty? Oh, so. You guys see that? I already have like lip gloss on, so. Oh. That is really, really nice. Kind of added a nice tint to my clear lip gloss. I have the Too Faced Dazzle on, so I'm gonna put that in my to use pile. So that's definitely awesome. So I'm not sure the value of this box, but for me it's a 5 out of 5. Yeah, like the Freeman Beauty, I'll definitely do that with my daughter. So yeah, I really like the box too. So anyway, I'm going to get into the February box. I already have this one, so that's why I decided to give it away. So if you guys want to win this, I'm going to open it up so you guys can see what's in it. I'll try to do it in such a way that I can stick everything back in here. Okay, so there's the St. Lux lip liners. I think this is one right here. So you guys have seen me use it. It has the floss lipstick or lip gloss in it. Of course I had to rip that because, so there it is there. So your box is a little ripped, but it's free, so try not to complain too much. Okay, so then there is the gold lip mask. I believe I tried this. I don't really remember anything special about it. So the Figs and Roses Rouge. This was a glow oil or glow elixir. I really, really like this. I actually used it quite a few times. I just stopped using it because it was becoming summertime. So there it is there. And then I don't think I got this, but maybe I did. So this is a highlighter and eyeshadow from Bella Pierre. I'm not going to open this part of it. So those are the items you will get. So in order to win this, I would like you guys to use the hashtag giveaway. You have to be in Canada or the US. This is would be really expensive to ship anywhere else. I will ship you the box. I won't ship you the Glossybox because I already opened it and it has my address on it. So, but yes, as well as if you guys could like this video, maybe give it a share so that other people could try and win. And I do have my tribe on the way that I am giving away, so got this now going. So I'm going to end this with my next glossy box. I'm going to try to order the limited edition summer essential palette or box. It comes in like a little bag. It comes with a bunch of things. I'm going to try to grab that up as well. So when I get that, or when I get my next box, I will do a draw for this one. This box, actually, I really did like as well. It was one of the better boxes I've gotten from Glossybox in the past lately. But I will let everyone know how these will work. Actually, I kind of want to go take a shower now to try the coconut oil. But anyway, so yes, if you want to be entered into the Glossybox giveaway, please enter below a comment with the word hashtag giveaway, as well as your yes, My neighbor just actually dropped this off tonight for her. It's rather sweet. We had our power go down and we went and helped him out, and so he brought this over and gave it to Evelyn. She adores it, don't you? Anyway, so yes, enter in the word giveaway. Now, if you haven't heard, if you don't enter the hashtag giveaway, I'm not going to enter you into the contest. And leave a comment below on your favorite subscription. Okay. 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 Yeah. Yeah, that was kind of scary, wasn't it? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Please don't forget to like, share, and make sure you're subscribed.